This time we'll see how Simon, an Omega Service Delivery Manager responsible for Athena Group, acts to prevent a forecasted SLA breach. We'll start this scenario from Simon's mailbox, where he finds two new emails. One is from Eric Berman asking to take care of an SAP problem. SAP breach forecasted. I need to check this out. The other email is an alert sent by ServiceFlow that points to a potential breach of SAP availability, which is one of the commitments stated in the Athena Group SLA. A link in the email leads me through the ServiceFlow login screen directly into the SLA dashboard of SAP availability. My aim here is to understand what caused the alert, how severe it is, and whether I need to change any of my priorities following the alert. The first thing that ServiceFlow tells me is that the forecasted SAP breach is recoverable. That's very good. Next, I'll investigate the root cause. On the root cause dashboard, the service map clearly shows me what are the dependencies of the business obligation. I can see SAP availability objective is dependent upon the actual application being available, but also network and access to LDAP need to be in proper service level. Furthermore, I can see the application itself is dependent upon a database piece that needs to be performing well, and it is marked in red. Scrolling down a bit, the root cause analysis chart confirms this conjecture. I can clearly see that there is a correlation between the SAP outages marked in red and the DB outages marked in gray. I learned from the task log that Greg from the DB team is already aware of the problem, but at this point I'd like to make the SAP outage his highest priority. I want his team to prevent by any means necessary further SAP outages, and therefore prevent the SLA breach forecasted by ServiceFlow. I send a clear message to Greg saying, Greg, the Athena SAP SLA is at risk because of a DB problem. Please resolve this ASAP to prevent further outages. To summarize this scenario, ServiceFlow warned the Service Delivery Manager preemptively of a potential violation to the contractual obligation. Rather than notifying him of a technical system or device outage, ServiceFlow continuously calculates the impact of these failures on the SLA agreement and alerts the team of SLA risk-related problems and their impact. The key to effective SLA management is managing through customers, agreements, and services rather than systems or devices. Task prioritization is an important advantage of SLA compliance computation. It enabled Simon to take a prompt decision of focusing the DB team and prevent further SAP outages. In fact, several of our customers such as Capgemini and Siemens use our product to prioritize new service incidents based on business impact calculated by ServiceFlow.